Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change your Instagram Reels cover after posting. So guys, it's very simple. Head to your Instagram profile, select your Reels option, and then choose the particular Reels you would like to change the cover. For example, I will choose this one. Now if you look at the right hand side of your screen, you find these three dots right there. Click on that. After clicking on that, you get all this option. Go ahead and click on the edit option right here. Now once you click on that, you are not done yet. You find this option right here. You find the option to add people, add location. Click on the cover that you see at the top. Click on the edit appearing at the cover. Now once you click on that, then you can be able to add a new cover from your gallery from at the bottom of your screen. Select the picture you want to use as that. Click on the check mark at the top right corner of your screen, and then to start updating.